Hello everyone, welcome back to our Solar Corner. Today, we're diving deep into the world of solar street lights and focusing on a crucial aspect: energy efficiency. I'm your host, and together, we'll explore some valuable tips to maximize the efficiency of your solar street lights. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things solar. Now, let's shine a light on energy efficiency. The first tip on our list is all about location. Ensure your solar street lights are strategically placed to receive maximum sunlight throughout the day. Proper placement not only enhances charging, but also extends illumination hours. Let's brighten up those streets while minimizing energy consumption. Upkeep is key. Regularly check and clean the solar panels and light fixtures. Dust and debris can hinder performance, so a little maintenance goes a long way. Think of it like giving your solar lights a spa day, clean and rejuvenated for peak efficiency. Next up, let's talk batteries. Investing in high-quality, long-lasting batteries is a game changer. These powerhouses store solar energy efficiently, ensuring your lights shine bright even during cloudy days. It's like having a reliable backup to keep the lights on when you need them most. Be sure to check out our other solar-powered episodes and hit that subscribe button for more insights. See you in the next video, where we continue to explore the limitless possibilities of solar energy. Take care.